Hello, my name is Joe and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Most people are competing on social media in today's world. Are you one of them? If you are, then do you understand the competition and how to get past it? In this video, I share with you how you can beat competitors using social media. It all starts with understanding some of the types of competitive advantages. So what are some of the types of competitive advantages? Determining your competitive advantage is simply how you stay ahead of your competition. In order to do this, you must have a lot of your brand positioning basics done. Those are things like knowing what your products or services are, whom it is that you deliver them to, how they are different, and how your products are better. You must have some of these things established. You also have to know the strengths and weaknesses of your brand or professional practice. It's difficult to do competitive pricing unless you are dealing with large volumes of goods. There are companies that love to do this, and for smaller companies it might cause profitability issues when you start this way. If pricing won't work for you, just forget about it and look at other strategies to make your products move. Companies like Topshop and Zara do have very good products, but they compete based on prices. Number 2 is using a technology strategy. Apple develops technology that most people cannot build and makes it available to the world. Number 3 is establishing a competitive advantage by differentiation strategy, and that is finding out whether there is a core attribute of your product or services that is really different from your competitors. What is the functional benefits? What is the innovational aspect of the company, the emotional benefits of your company, and how can people connect with it? Number 4 is informational advantage. That's gaining a competitive advantage through information of users. Google, Facebook, and fintechs like Visa uses users' information to get to know what their users want and how they can spend online. This informs them about users' behaviors and how they can deliver for their advertisers. Number 5 is using an operational effectiveness strategy. It is simply doing things in a much more effective, cheap, and time-bound way that lots of people cannot do. Amazon is one of the biggest operational effective strategist companies in the world. PayPal is also another name, and FedEx as well. Number 6 is creating a competitive advantage through a quality or a service strategy. Here your main strategy is to make your product very quality and make it seem it is one that has never been seen before. So what is your strategy around your product, and how is it giving you a competitive advantage over other products around? Number 7 is gaining a competitive advantage through an innovative strategy. You could innovate within a certain space. You could innovate within a certain specific area, which include physical products, methodology, fintech, etc. Number 8 is using an adaptability strategy. Over some few couple of years, there has been lots of changes in many industries around the world. Those that embrace these changes earlier on are the companies that have survived till now. Visa is one of the companies that has survived many threats and still continues to survive. Number 9. Another competitive advantage type is disruptive technology. Apple made Nokia and BlackBerry phones obsolete. Macintosh and Windows also made the typewriter obsolete. And today, Tesla is making the car industry obsolete with his self-driving vehicle. Within this window, the companies who catch on fast to these trends will continue to grow and develop faster. Here are 7 tips on how to build competitive advantage using social media. 1. Be genuine. Don't ignore your direct competitors. Study what they are doing that is good and copy or imitate their move in your social media conversations. Move forward by communicating in a way that clearly highlights the unique benefits of working with your company. Be interactive on your page. There are too many boring conversations on social media, and that tends not to engage the right audience you have. You have to be a better entertainer, better conversationalist, and be a better motivator in order to get more clients interested in what you have to offer. Be open. Don't let your client find it difficult to reach you. Let your audience find different ways of reaching you easily. Be brave. Don't be afraid to be genuine, brave, and true to yourself on social media platforms. I've had a few battles online before, and I'll probably have a few more too. Maintain your purpose and passion amidst the challenges of less able folk. Be lateral, not literal. At a time when many are taking themselves too seriously on social media, remember this: your unique way of thinking, creating, delivering, and presenting your solutions will open doors for you. Step away from the head. Be honest. 6. Clients love honesty. It gives them further confirmation of why they are doing business with you. If you focus on honesty and highlight this via social media engagement, more clients will come your way. 7. Be interested. Have a genuine interest in your audience. Make time and try and understand what interests your audience and give to them the type of content that excites them. Thank you for listening to these tips. We hope to come your way next time again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.